Hey, what's up, guys? I just wanted to make a quick video today talking about the security levels of the different master locks. If you guys are like me, when you first got into picking, you thought that this really made a big deal. So here's the thing. These security ratings that you see on the master lock packaging are for physical attacks such as cutting, prying, and smashing with a hammer, which generally that will stop most would-be burglars or attackers, just because the majority of burglaries that happen, at least in the United States, are through forced entry, and it's about 2/3, and the other third, the majority of the other third, is actually non-forced entry, meaning they went through a door or a window that was already unlocked. So I did a video a couple months ago with this 575 here, and this has a level 6 out of 10 security rating. So, I mean, this thing looks stout. You'd think it was pretty secure. The problem is this can be quite easily raked open, and I'm going to cut in a short clip right here and show you guys that. I feel like I got an open. Let's go ahead and try this again. Light tension, and just rock this pick up and down. And we've got an open. So moving on, we've got the Master Lock 532 DPF. Now, like I said, for the average consumer, these locks are cost effective, and this would be the security, most of the security you would need for the average would-be burglar, especially this one. It does have security pins. It's got a spring core. I do have a clip I'm going to put in here of me picking this. That being said, it did take me about 4.5 minutes to pick it, but I'm also I still consider myself very inexperienced. So somebody that is good at picking locks could essentially get through this even quicker than I did, and they may be able to rake this. I did not have any success raking it. I did have to single pin it, but I'm gonna put that clip in now so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. And we're gonna get to picking. I'm going to start at the back and work my way forward. Now, I will tell you guys, once you get this thing picked, it's a little deceiving because there's a little extra tension on the core afterward, so it doesn't feel like you have an open. And if you follow the belt rankings, this is an orange belt lock. So a single pin is not required at the orange belt level, but as I stated previously, I've not had success with raking this. Not saying it's impossible, but I decided to give this a shot instead. This warding is making this a bit of a challenge. Nope, not open yet. Got excited there, got a little rotation in the cylinder. I thought we had our open. And I'm not doing a feather light tension, but it's not, I probably wouldn't call it a moderate either. It's still pretty light tension. But I've got a good grip on this bar. You guys can see I've got yeah, you see a little bit. I got a little bit of flex in it. Not a whole lot. Sort of like about these pry bars though, flex a little bit. They really help you get a feel for the tension on every lock. Alrighty, get off this warding and figure out where we're stuck at. Unfortunately, this is not a lock I can disassemble without destroying, so I can't show you guys the insides when we're done. I will give you a shot of the keys, though. I forgot to do that. All right. Need to figure out. I feel like I'm one pin away. I can't tell which one it is. Nope, that was not it. Get my wrench back in there. Bumped it out a little bit. That wasn't a pin click, that was the warding. Getting my pick caught on it. Oh, there we are, we're open. So yeah, as you guys can see, these will work just fine for the average consumer. That's the reason why no matter what store you go to, you are most likely to encounter a master lock as opposed to, let's say, like an American lock. Me personally, though, knowing the things that I know about locks, if I had something I really wanted to try and keep secure, I would try to go a step above that. I'm a big fan of these Master Lock 5200s. They are more expensive than these Master Locks. You could probably buy one of these for what both of these cost, but you're going to get the cut resistance, you're going to get the pry and smashing resistance, and you're going to have much better picking resistance on this too. So it is just a step above in the level of security and the peace of mind that you get that comes with it. I understand that's not viable for most people, and it's really not convenient because there's no place near me that I'm aware of where I can just go buy a master lock. I typically have to order them. And the local Home Depot has shelves and shelves of master locks. But yeah, I just wanted to talk about that today, guys. This is mostly for lock pickers that look at those security levels and they think, oh man, I picked a level 8 master lock. Matter of fact, I think this one was an 8 maybe. I've got one up here. Maybe this one. I can tell you guys for a fact, I was able to rake both of these. No, I think I had to single pin this one. I did have to pull that cover off. But I was able to rake this one. And this is either a 7 or 8 security rating, I don't recall. And I think this is like an 8 or a 9. So just be mindful of that if you have something that you're truly wanting to keep secure. And also be mindful of the fact that no matter how good the lock is, the hasp is going to be the weak point. Oh, and this Pro Series puck lock, this is a fantastic design. It's a hidden shackle. Once it's in place, you cannot get to the shackle. That would be a lot of steel to cut through. This is the 6271. I have been able to open this with a quint rake on multiple occasions. If you guys want, let me know. I might do a video of that. But this thing is not totally secure. It's, like I said, it's secure enough for the average consumer with the average burglar, but this thing is not totally secure. And I think this was about a $30 or $35 lock. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick rundown on that today. Like I said, for pickers, don't be fooled by the security ratings. And for all you out there that don't pick but maybe want to secure your belongings a little bit better, look into something other than master lock. It'll work for 2/3 burglaries, or well, more than that. Most burglaries, there's about 4% that it will not work for. But I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. If not, give me a thumbs down. Either way, drop me a comment down below and let me know what you guys are picking on and what you would like to see in the future. Thank you.